Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate and automobile graduate. The name of the company is Excite Industries. I will be giving the link in the description. So once you click, you will be directed to the official website. If not, also you can type Excite Industries in Google and just give a search. So once you give a search, you will be getting following result. In that you have to choose Excite India's largest selling battery. First option you will be having this. You have to choose this one so that you will be directed to the official website. So this is the official website of Excite, and when you see the right corner you can see three dots here. So you have to click on the three dots. So various options will be popping out like these things, and out of it you have to choose career. Under media you will be having an option called careers. You have to click on career. There you can, if you keep on scrolling down, you can see an option called current openings. You have to click on current openings. So there you can see various job, and right side also you can see an option for dropping your CV, so that in future also they will be calling in case of any vacancies. So you can make use of it by uploading your CV there. When you scroll further, you can see an job post called service engineer. So this is the job post which we are going to see today, and location is Bhiwani. It's nothing but Haryana. So just click on service engineer. The job post is service engineer, Bhiwani. So job location is in Haryana. Freshers can apply for this job. Even if you have experience also you can apply. Salary they haven't disclosed. If you are willing to work in Haryana means you can click on the icon apply, and this is the job description. So they are requiring a BTech or BE in mechanical, electrical, automobile candidates for as a service engineer, and job location is in Haryana. So your responsibilities are customer satisfaction through sales, and handling the warranty return batteries, customer awareness about the maintenance, and training of service technicians, restricting the environment pollution, housekeeping and cleanliness. These are the things which they expect from you. And most importantly, the candidate must have 60% and above in 10th, 12th and BE or BTech. So here you see UG. If you have BE or BTech in automobile, mechanical, electrical means then you can go for it. Even if you have PG degree also in automobile, mechanical, electrical, you are most wanted. So this is the details of the company, and just make a note of it. So those who are willing to work, have a glance of it, and see the details and ratings in the official website and Google. And if you are further willing and want to join this company means, then just scroll up, you can see an option called apply. You have to click on the icon apply. So once you click on the icon, you will be giving your basic details, your name, mail ID, phone number, etc. And after that they will be intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered phone number. Do subscribe our channel, and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. If you feel this video is useful means, kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical and automobile graduate. And if you want to have particular job means, then you can just type in the comment section.